is a discharge of electricity. A single stroke of lightning can heat the air around into 30,000 centigrade. This extreme heating causes the air to expand explosively fast. The expansion creates a shock wave that turns into a booming sound wave, known as thunder. As ice crystals high within a thunderstorm, clouds flow up and down in the turbulent air. They crash into each other. Small negatively charged particles called electrons are knocked off some ice and added to other ice as they crash past each other. This separates the positive and the negative charges of the cloud. The top of the cloud becomes positively charged, while the base of the cloud becomes negatively charged. Because opposites attract the negative charge at the bottom of the storm cloud, wants to link up with the ground positive charge. Once the negative charge at the bottom of the cloud gets large enough, a flow of negative charge called a step leader rushes toward the earth. The positive charge at the ground are attracted to the step leader. So positive charge flows upward from the ground. Leader and the positive charge meet. A strong electric current carries positive charge up into the cloud. This electric current is known as the return storm. We see it as the bright flash of a lightning bolt. Thunder and lightning occur at roughly the same time, although you see the flash of lightning before you hear the thunder. This is because light travels much faster than sound. Lightning is the important part of the weather forecasting. The geostation